feel better now.
Whoa, now just hold on here a minute, fellas. Let me hop off here and hop back on. Have you been talking with yourself, fellas? I mean, think about it. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. Hey, look at me now. There, you see? We connect the dots. We're talking ugly. They don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. The problem is that you have been treating yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth. Oh, down in the mouth. You got that? Nothing. I'm getting nothing.
I just want to be left on my own.
Oh, now that is just downright antisocial, fellas. I had a human in my throat. I'm giving him my best stuff. Oh, now, fellas, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it get you down. Think about it. I started out as a little blob of jelly, and it has been downhill ever since. I think of myself as a handsome prince in frog blue. And one day, somebody's going to come along and give me a kiss and release my inner youth. And then I say to myself, oh, just get real. Who is going to want a French or frog? You know what our problem is? No, it's our image. It's not in vogue. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words, fellas, one day, ugly will be it. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. And those who sport this season's look will fall flat on their ass. Your mother what is called. Fashion is a fickle thing. Just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and when I get home, out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, it'll fall.